Welcome to Project Q. This short video is aimed at students who are new to Project Q. By the end of this video, you will be able to create yourself a new account, view and complete your production log, add journal entries, and upload files. You will also be able to access course resources created by your teachers and export your completed production log. Access to Project Q is at the my.projectq.co website. Some school coordinators will have created your account for you, and as such, you will have received an email with your login details. Note that if you ever forget your password or have deleted this email, you can use the Reset Password link to request an email to help reset your password. If you've been asked to self-register, then click on the Student Register button from the login page. Your supervisor or course coordinator will have given you a course code and course reference. Enter these codes and click Register. Next, enter your name and email address. Do make sure that your email address is correct and that you have chosen a suitable, memorable password. Click on the Register button to complete your registration. Once logged in, you will be directed to your home screen. If your school coordinator has created a calendar or timeline, it will be visible at the top. This will show important milestones throughout your course. The Conversation section shows all messages or conversations applicable to you. On the right-hand side, you will see the status of your production log. As you progress through the course, your supervisor will sign off sections. These will be marked with a tick. Click a section to view. In this example, the supervisor has signed off the section. It is now locked and read-only. If you needed to change something on this page, you will need to ask your supervisor to unlock it. Project Q has a built-in time machine feature which shows previous entries and attempts. This is useful if you have made significant changes and wish to see a previous entry. Click on a View History link to view these. To edit a section, we will use the candidate proposal as an example, as this hasn't been locked by the supervisor. Simply type in each of the boxes to complete your work, or click on a grid to edit. You will notice the text box border will change color. This is to remind you that you have unsaved work. It is recommended to save your work regularly. If you forget to save or your internet connection fails, Project Q will warn or advise you to take action. A spell check facility is available at the end. Complete the relevant sections and click on Save. The journal aspect is a place for you to store notes, research, and record your progress as you work on your project. Check with your supervisor or coordinator on how they would like you to use this section. All journal entries can be seen by your supervisor. This is a great way to demonstrate the development of your project. To create a new entry, click on New Post. Add an appropriate title and complete the main body. You can insert files or images. Click on the Insert Image File button. A list of all your stored files will be given. To insert an image from your computer, click on Browse, find the file on your computer, and click on Upload. You can now highlight the file you wish to include on your journal entry and click Select Insert. The tag box at the bottom is used to help categorize your entries so that you can find this entry at a later date. Enter a few short keywords to describe this entry. Click on Save. To search journal entries, click on a tag, a period of time, or use the keyword search. You can print the journal or export the text into Microsoft Word. The My Files section provides a place to upload work, research, or other resource. You can create folders to help organize your work. This area is shared with your supervisor and is often used to share draft versions of your work. Click on the Browse and Upload buttons at the bottom to upload new files. Click on the Resources link to access your school's Course Resources section. Your supervisors and coordinators can use this area to create course-specific pages or share generic files. Click on the tabs to move through the resources. Back on the home screen, if you wish to send a message to your supervisor or another teacher, click on the New Conversation button and select the user or users you wish to message. Enter a short message. You can also attach a single file. This is useful if you wish to ask your supervisor to look at a specific part of your research or draft work. When ready, click on Send Message. An email alert will be sent to the supervisor with a copy of your message. A copy of the message will be added to both your message board and your supervisor's. As you get to the end of your project, you will need to export the production log into the exam board format. From the home page or from the Production Log tab, click on Download Production Log. Next, click on Export. Your log will then be exported into Microsoft Word. You can complete any missing sections, remove blank pages, and tidy up the presentation. You can download the production log at any time if you wish to keep a copy of your work on your own computer. That concludes the student introduction to Project Q. We recommend in the first instance that you contact your own school supervisor or coordinator for help or advice on how to use Project Q in your school setting. However, if you need to contact Project Q, email support@projectq.co.